Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Teacher Librarian. In this video, I am going to show you how we can make our virtual class more interactive and interesting. It is an innovative way by which we can attract children towards our library activity. For that, I am going to use a tool that is Wheel of Names. It is a random selector tool that was designed for choosing names or winners. These are the list of stories which I have selected for primary students. They love these fairy tales. I want to select any one story from this list. How I am going to select? By using Wheel of Names. Just I have to click to spin. Yes. The name comes here. The story name is Thumbelina. This Thumbelina I can remove also. I'm going to remove. Yes, it has disappeared from here. Like this, I'm going to choose one more story. For that, I have to click this wheel. The pointer stops. Yeah, which one? Elves and Shoemaker. I'm going to tell the story of Elves and Shoemaker. For that, I have to choose my students from my class. So I'm going to type some students' name over this place provided. These are some names of my students. I'm going to choose any one child for asking question related to the story which I have already told. Now I have to spin it. Yes. The pointer shows Amit. Amit is the winner. I'm going to ask story or related question to the story. Like that we can make our library class more interesting. This wheel has many features. We can customize this wheel by choosing this. We can change the sound also. You can see so many sounds over here. For spinning also we can see. For color also we can change. And we can include image of the story also. So we can explore more while using this wheel. I hope you also can use this for your library activity. I'm going to tell you more about library activity. For that you have to see my coming video. Till then, bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you.